Have you got streaks like this on the windshield? If so, it might be time to change your wiper blades. Today I'm going to show you how I change the wiper blades on my second generation Prius. So make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified when I upload future videos. Hi, it's Dave. It's time to change the wiper blades on my 2008 Prius. I picked these up at Costco. They're Michelin wiper blades. I've used these a lot and I really like them. But you can get wiper blades at your local auto parts store, at Costco like I did, or you can buy them online at Amazon. I'll include a link down below. But the first thing you need to do is to make sure you get the right size. When I bought mine, they had a little stand. I just looked for 2008 Prius and it told me I needed a 26-inch and an 18-inch for a 2008 Prius. So that's what I got. If you need to know the size of your wiper blades, you can always Google it. If that doesn't work, worst come to worst, you can just measure them. You can see here that mine are 26 inches long. Before you can install your new wiper blades, you're going to have to take off the old ones. I've got the old style Michelin wiper blades on here, so I'm going to have to take those off. First thing I'm going to do is push up on this to lift it off, and then pull out and off on this side to take this clip off. Then this is just a hook, and I just have to pull this wiper out of the hook, and the old blade comes off. When we open up the box, we're going to have a wiper blade, this mechanism, which we're not going to use on this installation, and a cap like this. If you're the type of person who actually reads instructions, which I'm usually not, you can see that it shows there's only 2 steps for installing the kind we have with the hook. You put the little hook in and you pull it tight. So we're going to do that. We're going to take it facing this way. We're going to put it into that hook and lock it in place. That's really about all there is to it. Put the wiper back in place and you're ready to roll. Thanks a lot for watching. Like and subscribe for more content like this. Best of luck in your next project.